if you ever try to give an agent a Solana wallet, an AI agent Solana wallet, you've probably done one of these two things. Either you store a raw key, raw private key in an M file, in the configuration, or you tightly lock yourself with a particular wallet SDK. Both of these are problems which Glosso solves with a single design decision, one interface, 3 wallet adapters, as we can see here. So simply, an AI agent can connect to Glosso Wallet, which exposes 3 methods of configuration via the wallet adapter interface. You can either provision a sovereign key, a private, or a turn key. Any of them that fits your decision, or any of them you like, which all of them still leads to the same Solana, still same solution here. Now, everything in Glosso starts from the wallet adapter interface. Here in code, we can see it via the interface of CS. So we have the get address, the get balance, the get sign, the sign version, and send as well. Everything here, whether you're running a local key, a turnkey based, HSM based key from turnkey, private key, any key at all of them implements these 5 methods. The 3 adapters implement these 5 methods. So the get address, the get balance, the sign, all of them, you get them regardless of any interface you're being connected on, any interface you're using. Now, the Glosso wallet router, as you see here as well, still similar stuff. When you instantiate a new Glosso wallet, you can switch mode between the adapters possible. Now, if you want to see this from the perspective of an agent, or how does an agent see this code, check the agent file. We have a demo for a Drift agent, an agent that trades on Drift protocol, like interfaces with Drift protocol. We have this agent. Now, in the tools.ts, we can see where Glosso wallet is instantiated. So you doesn't need to know whether it's a turnkey or any type of wallet at all. It just instantiates the Glosso wallet function and you're good to go. Now, this agent, as you have seen here, now interfaces with the Glosso wallet. You might ask the question, what changes or what is the different thing between each of these adapters? We have a simple diagram here that shows that. Now we have the sovereign adapter. All of them have their different methods of approaching signatures. That's the only difference between these adapters. The sovereign adapter works with a BIP39 mnemonic, and then basically when you call the sign function, it decrypts the blob to get the 25519 key, public and private key, derives the key pair, like I said, then signs the transaction, then wipes it in memory there and returns the signed transaction. While the private adapter sends a post request to the private infrastructure, which accesses the key from the private enclave, and then the TX is signed as well. While turnkey stamps the request, sends to the HSM, you get signed TX as well. So all of them work in the same manner. The only difference is just method of signing. You can access all 3 methods via one wallet adapter interface. That is the big advantage of using Glosso. You don't have to provision private keys yourself, like having to store them in the environment variable, which is not safe, or tightly coupling one SDK with your wallet. You can have the freedom of multiple adapters, and there are more to come. So we're starting out with these 3 adapters and obviously implement more, so that this is going to be a very broad wallet where you can basically interface with anything that is available in Solana. Yeah, thank you.